All right, so we are on the login page of Datum's marketing automation software. You're going to put your username in, your password, and then we want to log in here. This brings us to the dashboard. This is a demo environment. So today I'm going to show you our email builder. And so we're going to come over to the left under channels. You're going to click emails. We've got 4 demos that we've created in here previously, but today we're going to create a new template. So we're going to come under the top right and click new. We've got a new template email or a segment. We want to build a new template, so select. Some pre-built ones in here are pretty cool, easy to edit, so you can preview it by just clicking on it, and you can go in and change the images, content, and have a template pre-built pretty easy. This is going to be the subject of the email, the internal name. You can choose a category if you want to categorize your email. So for today's demonstration purposes, let's use this one. So we're going to select here, and now it gives us the option to open the builder. So we're going to open the builder here. And it's as easy as just click on an element. So if I hover over here, you can see it's hovering over the button. So if I want to edit this button, I click on there. I can come up on this little paintbrush, and I can add different things in there. This is going to be the link where it's going. You could add different classes. If you want to change an image, simply as just double click on there, I can drag and drop a new image or choose one that's already in your environment. If you want to change content, I can just double click this. I can get rid of all this content, and I can start writing something in here. You can add links, so if I want this to be a link, I can create a link there, and I can target it there. And if we want to get back to the pane, these little 4 dots here, we can get in here. So let's say maybe I want another image. I can just come in here. I can drag, drop this. And I double click, and I can add a new image into there. Social environments. These are cool because you can also move these around. Just click on it once, and you see this little directional thing, so I can move things around as I want. And it's all completely editable, very easy to use, and very intuitive.